Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, Sorting and Filtering Data. The sorting tools are an effective way of organising data within a worksheet. To sort any data, first highlight it. Be careful not to include titles in the selection. The sort tools are found on the editing toolbar under the Home tab. Selecting the Sort A to Z tool will sort the selected data in ascending order. Notice that the records are sorted in ascending order by the first column, the title column. The Sort Z to A tool will sort the selected data in descending order. This tool will also sort the data based on the values in the first column of the selection. To sort the data by another column in the selection, the Custom Sort tool is needed. In the Sort dialog box, use the Sort By drop-down box to select a different column. Watch how I set the Sort By column to the last name column. Now the last name column is selected. The next step is to choose the order of the sort. Click the OK button to complete the sort. Notice the records have now been sorted in ascending order by the last name column. Data can be sorted by multiple levels, for example, by the name column and then the title column. To add multiple levels to a sort, first open the Custom Sort tool. Like before, select the column which the data should first be sorted by. Then click the Add Level button to add a second level to the sort. Now select the second column which the data should be sorted by. In this case, both columns will be sorted in ascending order. The selection has now been sorted by the title column first and then the last name column. A filter can be used to display groups of related records. To add a filter, highlight an entire column including the column title. Filter is also found under the Sort and Filter tool on the Home tab. Once the filter has been applied, use the drop-down list to filter specific records. Watch how I use the filter list to manipulate which records are displayed. Clicking Clear Filter from Title will remove the filter and display all records. Select All will display all records. The Replace tool can be used to find and replace an occurrence of a word in the spreadsheet. Replace is found under the Find and Select tool on the Home tab. Use the Find What text box to specify the word to search for. Use the Replace With text box to specify the word to replace the occurring word with. The Find Next button shows the next occurrence of the word. This does not replace it. The Replace All button, however, will replace all occurrences of the specified word. In this case, 5 replacements of the word Stafford for Staffordshire have been made.